Yeah, I've been just picking on pieces of you. Think about how can I get you?
Okay, I am about to do flat embroidery for the first time, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you, what we're doing. Okay, so the first step is, here is the flat embroidery frame. Okay, and these prongs are facing away from me. The first step is to lay down my stabilizer in the frame. Okay, all right, and I'm using 40 mid-weight stabilizer. This is a yard. Then I already have the center point pressed in my tablecloth, so I just need to locate my center point. And this is a really long rectangle tablecloth. Okay, so thanks. All right, here's my center point. You know what I did not do? I did not mark the center points in permanent marker on my frame. So let me do that really quick. Okay, I have marked the center points both horizontal and vertically on my frame here. Okay, and what I used was 9.5 and 12.5. All right, so then I have to put my stabilizer down. I really probably should be doing this on the floor. Okay, I have my central point here. So what I'm going to do is line up something here. I'm going to line up the top and bottom points first. Okay, I just got it hooped. That took me probably 10 minutes in total for the first time. And notice how I have the brackets, the lip part of these clamps, like the longer ones are going outward. But in the video, they did the side ones with this part flipped around. So I'm not sure that's going to make any difference. So I'm kind of leaving it the way it is. And, it was a little bit, it wasn't smooth. You had to use a little muscle. So the next thing you have to do is you have to install the flat table. And before you can install the flat table, you have to remove the screws from off of these posts in which the flat table will connect to, and you have 4, and I've already taken the screws out of those. And then there's one back there, and there is one back here, and I believe it's the size 3 Allen wrench. I'm not sure because they're already loose, because I attempted this from the very beginning, because they said that, well, it's recommended that you flat embroidery be your first, be the first type of embroidery that you do, but I did not. I went straight to the t-shirt hoops. But now I'm going to do the flat embroidery because I, have a need for it. I'm doing a tablecloth. All right, so I have the screws off, and now I'm going to install the table. And this table is very heavy. And I'm hoping I have enough space for it because I have since reconfigured. Yikes. Okay. Nope. I've got to turn the whole machine in order to do this. Whew. Okay. Yikes. Okay. I'm going to completely move this. I'm going to pause it. Okay, and now we have to put the frame on the machine, and it's going to be the fourth, starting with the fourth screw in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first screw closest to the outer edge should be in slot 4. So 4 and 5, and then same thing on the opposite side.